Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It's Monday, March 5th. Gonna do my nightly video on NatGas. So NatGas on the daily does have that TCG bull cross, 4 EMA over the 8 EMA. We have regained the 20 EMA. Didn't quite get to that back test of it yet, but holding above it currently for the bulls after we've gained it. Slowly setting higher highs and higher lows on the daily as well. You can clearly see that we're setting higher lows and higher highs. So still in control by the bulls on the daily chart. Weekly still obviously has a lot of work to do. And we by a smudge got above that 8 EMA on the weekly. So what I'm going to look for this week is if we're able to break last week's high here of 2.731, then I'm going to like it for a back test of the 20 EMA, which is currently at 2.766 and continuing to descend. So that's what I'm going to look for at this point. We do have a higher low set on the weekly from this low, and we do have a lower high set from this low. So we could be in an equilibrium range where we set lower highs and higher lows and tighten up and see where NatGas goes. So if we can break last week's high, again, that level is at 2.731, then I will like a back test of the 20 EMA, which is at 2.766. Looking at the other charts. 4-hour chart not really telling me much. So the hourly here is just in a range here. Now we have a new support on the hourly here of 2.673, and we have a resistance here of 2.731. You can see on the hourly we are setting well, not really. That was a higher high than that one. So next resistance I'm going to look at after we break the 2.72 is going to be at 2.726, then 2.711, and then 2.731. And of course, our supports are going to be 2.686, 2.677, and this is a must hold for me on the hourly that I would like the bulls to maintain. Is going to be above the low here of 2.673. So have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Again, what I would watch for this week is if the weekly can get over the high of last week's candle. And you can see on the weekly here on NatGas, it's every consecutive weeks of higher lows so far and higher highs. So that's why I like continuation if we break the high of last week of 2.731 for the trend to continue, where we're going to have consecutive weekly candles of higher highs and higher lows on the weekly candles, and like that back test of the 20 EMA if we do get above 2.731. So have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.